Kuringana na mutabania wa uthuthuria kambuni-ini no Julius Njenga, kambuni cia kwendia irio cia mahiu guku bururi-ini ni ciongererekete na gikiro kinene, na nyingi ciacio iteyandikithitie makiria matura ma Nairobi na gatagati ga bururi.
Many of the ingredient suppliers, the raw material suppliers, do not have fixed addresses. They are not easy to locate. Well, this could be deliberate, but actually it's also their business model. It means that it's not possible to really not just get in touch with them, but to regulate their operations.
Niongereirie ati mashini nyingi iria ihuthikaga kambuni-ini itiganite itikinyitie ikiro niamu imwe ciacio ni cia gwithondekera hatari guthingata mawatho maamure.
But if you go to a juakali, because it's cheaper to get, it's easy to get, and you can even get something specified for your feed, small meal, then the quality of the feed starts getting affected there. Both KEPSA and the KEPSA to review the registration requirements. Are the charges being imposed too high? Why are we buying standards at 1,000 shillings and somebody can get them free from other countries online? So some of these things need to be considered.
KMT no maugite kambuni cigitikira kurumirira mawatho maria mambikitwo ni KEPSA no tuhote kuongerera umithio wa urimi twita bururi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njenga wa Wambui.